Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing layers so your transparency work is non-destructive. Duplicate the base layer right away and keep the original untouched. This preserves fallback. Once done, unlock the background and set your document color space and canvas size to match export needs. Make sure to enable the transparency grid so you can see transparent areas as you work. You will use the duplicated layer for masks and erasing. This keeps adjustments reversible and avoids accidental permanent changes. You now create and refine a transparency mask to remove the background. First, select your subject with quick selection or draw a precise path with the pen tool. Accurate edges make later steps easier. Then click Add Layer Mask and open Select and Mask to refine edges. Use a small amount of feather, 0 to 50 px depending on resolution, and Shift Edge to fix halos. Once comfortable, paint directly on the mask with black to hide and white to reveal, using a soft brush to smooth transitions. To finish, export your file in a format that supports alpha channels, PNG 24 or PSD, so transparency is preserved. Make sure any matte or background fill is disabled in the export dialog. If you need a flattened version for non-alpha formats, duplicate and flatten a copy first. If you run into halos or fringe around edges, use layer matting to fringe or adjust the mask by contracting or expanding it by 1 to 3 pixels, and then retouch with a soft brush.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.